In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a straight line in TradingView Mobile. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your chart, then you want to go to the bottom of your chart and you want to tap on the pen icon to basically be able to open up your drawing tools. So tap on the pen icon, go to trend lines up top, and then from here you can select whichever one you want. I'm just going to use the trend line over here. So when I tap on trend line, I can go and of course draw whatever I want. I'm going to start over here and you just want to tap once and then you want to drag it out where you want to have it and you want to drag again. Okay, now whenever you do this, as you can see by default, it's going to be like this. Okay, so it's going to be like not straight, it's going to be completely at different angles depending on whatever you tap. So if you want it to be completely straight, you can still do this very simply. So you simply want to select it, and whenever you have your line selected, at the very top there's a bunch of different settings. You want to tap on this one at the very top, which is like the angle lock tool. Now whenever you do this, you can now try moving it again using any of the borders, and as you can see, there we go, I can now make it perfectly straight, 45 degrees in either side, or I could just go ahead and make it perfectly vertical, 90 degrees or whatever. Okay, so that's the best way to basically draw a straight line. Now if you don't want it to be straight anymore, you can tap on that button up top and you can again go ahead and customize your angle. Okay, so that's the best way to do it using a trend line. But of course, if you want a straight line, which is going to be a horizontal line, you can just add a horizontal line and you're good to go. So for example, go to drawing tools again, find the horizontal line, which is over here, tap on it, and then from here you can just of course tap anywhere on your screen and you can move it around, and this one is automatically perfectly straight. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.